Hello, welcome back to Marshmallow Bubble. Today we are going to be making a cat ice cream sandwich. So yeah, let's get into it. The materials you are going to need is a sharp tool, dotting tool, tan clay, white clay, black clay, and light pink clay. So let's get started. First you're going to need the tan clay. Just get a little chunk of it, or get the whole thing, and then roll it out with something smooth. So you're gonna make sure it's flat, not too thick, but then not too thin. Then once you have rolled it out nice and smooth, you're going to get your sharp tool and cut a rectangle. This is gonna be the cracker. Once you are done cutting a rectangle, you're going to remove the excess and make sure everything is nice and neat. After you do that, you're going to get your dotting tool and make some holes. This is going to be the print of the cracker. Oops, I messed up there. Once you're done making your design and poking holes in your cracker, you're going to take all your extra pieces away and try to get it off the table because it can get stuck on the table sometimes. You can get your excess clay that you had and flatten it out and make another cracker out of your excess clay. Like I said, roll it out and cut a rectangle. You don't have to make the design for this one because this is going to be the bottom. Now grab your white. This is going to be the ice cream inside of the sandwich. Roll it out in a ball and get the perfect amount of clay. Now roll it into a thick snake and flatten it a bit so you can put the other cracker on top. Place it on the bottom cracker and make sure it's all smooth so you can be ready to put the top of your cracker on. Once you have done that, get the top of your cracker and lay it on nice and smooth. Make sure it is touching the white completely, and then pick it up. Take a good look at it and make sure everything is nice and neat. Now we are going to go and do the face. Let's do the ears first. First, you're going to get a tiny ball of white clay. Make sure to make it pointy on both of the ends. It should look a lot like this. Then you're going to get your sharp tool and slice it in the middle so it can be two pointy ears. It should look like this. And then once you have your two pointy ears, you're going to put it right below the cracker on top of the cat. Then make sure to smooth it out with your dotting tool. This might take a while, so be patient. Once you have done your ears, we're going to get the black clay to make the face. So you're going to get a tiny, tiny, tiny pinch of black clay, and that's going to be one of its eyes. Once you are done with that eye, you are going to do the same with the other eye. Once you have done the eyes, we are going to move on to the ears and come back to the mouth. So get the pink clay and do the exact same shape I told you to do with the white ears. Then, once you have done that, you're going to press them on to the white ears. Once you have done the ears, you're going to just push down the pink on the ears just to make sure they're secure. Now, once you are done with the ears, you're going to get the black to roll it out in a very, 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 very thin snake to do the mouth. Once you're done with that, you're going to get your sharp tool and cut just a tiny little bit so it can be a little U, and you're going to do that 2 times so it can be like a little W mouth. Now you're going to press them down like it's going to stick to the cat's face. Now we are all done with the cat's face. Time to move on to the arms. First you're going to get your white clay and sort of roll it into a thick but thin, tiny snake. And make sure to do 2 of those. So those are going to be the hands of the cat sandwich. Make sure to press them on there so when you bake it, it won't fall off. Now that you've done the arms, let's go and do the legs. You are going to do the exact same thing, but just put them in the back. Yay! Now you're done with your cat ice cream sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!